Hello, this is my first spot analysis. I'm looking to buy cat. The reason is I saw cat so strong on several pair. Cat Swiss franc, cat yen, euro cat, pound cat, and USD. I will decide which pair I will trade later. Now I am stocking 3 pair: cat yen, euro cat, and pound cat. What I want to see on cat yen is it break below, then come back and hold a little bit, then I decide to buy it or not. On euro cat, I want to see price come back to this support and resistance line strongly and wait for it slowly pull back to test this recent high. Then I decide to sell it or not. I think pound cat is a leading pair because it's the first pair pull back to its break line. Actually, I try to sell it here, but I was less. Now the buyer still alive, so this buyer still alive, so I must wait till the buyer die so I can join the sale, right? What I want to see is the buyer go higher to this resistance. It may be break out a little bit, then come back, then hold. I will sell when I have all of those conditions. Okay, I will update later when I in the choice. Bye.